Hi, I'm Rustick Guy. Welcome to my channel. We are down in the dungeon workshop. We are going to try something. We're going to try something new for Rustick Guy. That's me. Hello. Welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you like cool stuff. But we're going to try something brand new for me. I've never done this. I'm not a trend center. I'm behind on most trends. I'm not up, hip, fashionable, any of that crap. I saw a video, YouTube, I think a Facebook. Somebody sent it to me. I'm not on Facebook, thank God. But of making a drink in a coffee maker. And on the surface, it looked really cool and it was intriguing and it kind of made me think about it a little bit. So I watched some other YouTube videos and it really didn't go well. People were putting ice in the carafe as it was brewing. Ice? No. They were using tequila? Why in the world would you use tequila to infuse Starburst? These are tropical Starburst. It is watermelon, cherry, strawberry, and fruit punch. Why in the world would you not use some tropical fruit rum, some watermelon rum, and I don't know, some banana? Banana 99 bananas. Why would you use tequila? Just stupid. Stupid. So, I've never done this, but this is my take. Rustick Guy's take on this way of making a drink. What I'm going to do, fill up the coffee, the filter with a bag. I'm going to use my coffee pot to measure how much I actually want to put in. I'm going to probably use equal amounts and we'll measure it, dump it in. I'm going to take bag number 2. I'm going to take just a little bit so that bag number 2 will go in there and that it's not completely on the bottom because there's a heating element obviously and I don't want it to melt right directly to the carafe. So I'm hoping a little liquid in there will prevent it from melting to the carafe, and with all of the Starburst in there it'll still infuse. So, and it won't be a lot of liquid, but I'm going to do this my way, and I don't know that it's a good way, but that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to, this is a brand new Walmart special coffee maker. Never used it for anything other than this. I will not use it for coffee. So they're going to take the whole bag. Just dump it in. These are Starburst minis. And I'm actually going to fill the effing thing right up. I don't know if you should or not. It may not leave. You know what? So it spills over. So what? It's not coffee grounds. I don't know what's going to happen. So that's that. So that's the first part. Hold on. I'm drinking a beer too. Pipe Dreams. Coconut coffee porter. I don't know if it's helping. So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take watermelon. We're going to put, I don't know, up to, oh boy, it's kind of a lot. I don't know, half the bottle. Right about, not quite to the 4. So that actually it's probably 2/3 of the bottle. This is going to get expensive. That is the Malibu watermelon. Now we're going to take some of the Cruzan. I went all out here, I know. Tropical fruit rum. And we're going to add that up to, I don't know, let's say to the 6. It's probably, you know, there's probably a little bit more of the watermelon than that. And then, so I can kind of see what I'm doing, seems to be about half the bottle. I don't know. I'm starting to get nervous. Maybe this ain't such a good idea. So, if this were coffee, and I didn't quite put half the bottle of the banana, because the banana is not really part of the flavor, but it is kind of a tropical-y flavor. So if this were a pot of coffee, there'd be 8 cups. Whether that means anything, I don't know. So let's pour our mixture of booze like it's water. It looks like water. It doesn't smell like water. No idea what's going to happen. Trying to go slow. Oh, this freaking thing's in the way. Oh, no wonder why. That's stupid. No wonder why it's cheap. It was only $20. I see why now. It's hard to pour into. Anyways, I left a little bit of that in there. So what I'm also going to do, probably the banana, more of the banana. I just don't want that next bag, when this comes on, I just don't want them to melt. So not a lot. So we're going to take bag number 2. Again, I have no clue what the hell I'm doing. I'm going to take bag number 2. Guess what I got to watch for when this is brewing is that it doesn't over, and it shouldn't. I only put 8 in. So that's, I just don't want those to melt to the carafe. So let's kind of get this out of the way. Kind of get this out of the way. So even though this is a cheap, we're going to put it on bold. And now it's starting. Now it's just a waiting game. I will see what happens. Ooh, it's starting. There it is, it's starting. I will keep you posted. I am going to take a couple of shorts of this as it's making, and we'll just see what's going on. I am a little nervous. I am Rustick Guy. Thanks for watching the first part of the Coffee Maker Infused booze, whatever the hell I'm doing. Well, what I'm going to actually do with this is let it cool. Oh, what am I going to do? I don't even know what I'm going to do once this is brewed. I guess I didn't think this out. Well, I'll think about it while this is brewing. I'm Rustick Guy. Thanks for watching. We're taking these and we are making some booze. Please subscribe, drink responsibly, and have a good time. Cheers.